Hello. Right, so we're on our way to Heathrow Airport. My flight is in Heathrow Terminal 2. As you can see, we just are about to arrive in Heathrow Terminal 2. And I'm really scared because going to the airport with all this COVID thing, and it's not easy, and it's just kind of scary joy is all together. You're going to Ghana during the pandemic, you don't know what will happen at the airport. I'm just walking into the terminal. It was quite quiet, but 3 o'clock in the morning, yeah, it's quite a few people, as you can imagine. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and please support my channel, yeah, by subscribing, turning your notification buttons on. That's what matters. Very early, about 4:20 in the morning, so it's very early. Yeah, so just going to have a quick coffee just down the lounge. It's quite an amazing lounge, lot of space. Like I said, it's very early, so there's not a lot of people. There's just a lot of guidelines, you have to follow instructions, but it's a pretty amazing lounge. It's just in Terminal 2. It's a plaza lounge. Approaching Amsterdam, and we should be landing shortly. And it's quite an amazing flight. You can see Amsterdam right there. We're just about to land. Hey, who is excited? Oh, I love Amsterdam. Schiphol is just an amazing airport. I spent so much of my 2019 and 2020 here. quick brief about my COVID testing. So I got tested 72 hours before my departure. Then when I got to the airport, they asked me if I have a PDF or if I have any proof that the test is negative. I've showed on the PDF everything is clear. So now I just want to let you know I'm in Amsterdam at this lounge 52, and I'm just doing a voiceover, so don't get confused about what's happening in the video. So this line 52, a lot of celebrities, especially in Ghana, spend time here, like of Jackie Appiah, Yvonne Nelson, John Dumelo, all these slay queens and slay kings, they do spend time. Also the diplomats, they do come whenever they're doing transit in Amsterdam. So guys, so this is all my trip. It's quite amazing lounge if you can afford. If you have a business class or a priority lounge, feel free to pop in here. It's quite amazing lounge. It's amazing. So if you do ever pop up or doing transit in Amsterdam, do come and have a nice time before your journey back home or journey to America or any part of the world. And you know what? I'll give you some quick story about the COVID test. Guys, man, this COVID test, it's not easy, man. They put this thing in your nose. They like very deep, man. It's uncomfortable. It's not nice at all. My COVID test was was something else. Yeah. So guys, make sure you get to the boarding gate early. Complete your declaration form to make sure you don't have any symptoms, or you confirm to the government that nothing wrong with you. Yeah. So you guys just make sure you get to the boarding gate early. My COVID test was quite an experience. Probably you never know. Maybe one day I will post the video over for people to see how uncomfortable it is. But hey, you're going to Ghana, so I hope you enjoy the flight. Please do subscribe and turn your notification button on so that whatever I post, you'll be the first person to get a notification or notified. Thank you very much. So let's go to the boarding gate.